Join the future. Moonchain, the mining hub.
Hey Mooners, if you haven't heard by now, Moonchain is flipping Web3 on its head, and we are launching IHO, which stands for Initial Hardware Offering. All you need to do is stake your Moonchain token and you will receive hardware completely for free. Free shipping, free hardware, all you need to do is stake. Now let's talk about one of the products you can receive. This awesome drone. This is a 4K Ultra HD camera drone, perfect for creators, travelers, or just anyone into cool tech. Imagine getting mining rewards just by flying it. It's got 4K video capture, 9-kilometer video transmission, fast charging, AI visual tracking, ultralight design, easy to carry, easy to fly. And yes, it mines while you fly. Web3 just got real. Want to find out more about IHO? Follow us on X for our latest updates. We'll see you next time.
Mining done differently.